In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall n8n. We'll walk through cleaning up your workflows, disabling them so nothing runs unexpectedly, and then removing your account and canceling your subscription. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Start by opening your n8n workflows page. This is where all your automations live. Click the workflows section in the left navigation to see the full list. If you have a lot of items, use the search bar to quickly find specific workflows by name or apply filters to narrow things down by status or other criteria. This makes it easier to work through everything methodically. For each workflow you no longer need, open its options menu by clicking the three dots to the right. Choose Archive. Archiving disables the workflow so its triggers won't fire, which is especially important if you're about to remove your account. It's a safe way to ensure nothing continues running in the background while you finish the uninstall process. Repeat this for any other workflows you want to deactivate. Next, move to the admin panel from the left side of the screen. This takes you to your administrative controls. From there, click Manage to open your account or workspace management area. Here you'll find the option to delete your account. Click Delete Account. You'll be prompted to confirm since this action is permanent and removes your workspace and associated data. When the confirmation appears, click Delete Account again to complete the removal. Take a moment to read any warnings on screen so you understand what will be deleted. After that, head to the Billing section within the Management area. Click Billing to view your plan details. Here, cancel your subscription to stop any future charges. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. If you don't see a confirmation right away, wait for the on-screen message that indicates the cancellation is complete. Timing and final charges can depend on your plan's billing cycle, so review the details shown before you finalize. That's it. You've archived your workflows to prevent any accidental runs, removed your n8n account, and canceled your subscription. If you're following along in a team environment, make sure anyone who needs access has finished their work before you archive or delete. And if you ever return to n8n in the future, you can set up fresh workflows from scratch with a clean slate. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you uninstall n8n smoothly and confidently.